Hello guys, with me here I'm trying to build shelves for my shed. Inside there's nothing, so I've started by cutting this wood. It was kind of too big. I used that machine here to cut it, this circular saw. And then I will basically cut these ones half. They were kind of big, giant piece, so I kind of cut it into two, and I see it works. Now I've joined this together, all this myself, using the tools I've used quite a lot, not that much. I needed a pencil, a tape measure, and I have a drill. Where is it? Somewhere, of course, hiding somewhere from me. Then I have the drill bits. Since I've talked about the drill, I don't know where it is now. I just used it right now. It's hiding one of these. Oh, put it here. It's right here. I don't know why it's hiding here. Put it here. Anyways, I have also this plywood. It's a plywood, 3-ply. It's kind of strong. This one I got it cut for me because I don't have the machine to cut it precisely. They have a better machine in the store that I bought, and I already installed these pins here. They're gonna help me make the shelves. I'm gonna make the shelves on the bottom, and I know something funny is that from here to the next one, they're not the same size, funny enough. So I had to engineer something, because this one is very short from here to here compared to the other one. Now you guys, I want you to see what is gonna happen. Now this is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna lay it on top of it. I'll bolt it a little bit just to make it more firm. I'll connect there with some bolts too, and then on top of it I'm going to lay it on it the plywood. Eventually this is how it's gonna look like. So I know this is not gonna be enough, but it's all good. I'll go get another one and fill it in all the way. I know I didn't want it to go this much, but it is what it is. It's gonna do the job I want it to do. I'll get another piece to fill it in there. All right.